Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use GearUp Booster. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so before we begin, I will leave a link in the description where you can try Gear Booster on a free trial. If you're interested in that, just click onto that link. And now once you've done that, head on over to gearbooster.com, or it will take you via that link. And then from here, it will say try for free. Get GearUp Booster, so go ahead and click onto that and it'll start downloading in the background. So give that a few moments to download and then we'll go to install it. Alright, so it's finished downloading. Go ahead and run it, and then it's very straightforward to install. Once you've installed it, go ahead and open up GearUp Booster. And now once you've opened it up, it will take to this page here where we can boost our games. So at the moment on the home page, and it should show you the games installed on your computer. So for example, I want to boost World of Warcraft. I'll just go ahead and click on that blue boost button, or we can search our computer for games to boost. But for this demonstration, I'm going to do World of Warcraft. So now I'm going to boost this. As you can see, it's loading here. So you wait until that go. Then it'll say get 3 days trial, start free trial. So just choose which plan you want to go with. So 1 month, 12 month, 3 month. And as it states, it's for 3 days. So go ahead and click which one you want to use. Also, you might be prompted to log in with your Google account or Facebook. And then that's it. Your game is now optimized for smooth performances.